Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Anna here, and today I'm come to talk to you about the 3 controversial body lotions on the internet right now, and that is the advanced Korean skin range. These products, a lot of people have issues with it because of one, the name, and also because they are finding it difficult to find the manufacturers and also to validate the authenticity of these products. But for those of you that have tried it, that are on it, and also if you are wondering if this lotion is actually a good lotion, if it's worth trying, here is my review. And I'm also going to be explaining what each of them does. As you can see, there are 3 colors. We have the white, we have the orange, and we have the yellow, and they all do different things. So let's start with the white. You've noticed that the white is open because this is what I'm currently using now, because I also had to test it out. First thing I would say is the advanced Korean skin range is highly moisturizing. I really love how much this lotion moisturizes your skin. I actually tried it because I was looking for a very good moisturizer, and also because I needed to come and give you guys a review and also calm your thoughts as to whether this is something that is worth trying. The white advanced Korean skin lotion is very good when it comes to treating hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. It is not necessarily going to brighten up or whiten up your skin. It's going to make sure that the unevenness of your skin is cleared and your skin has one particular complexion. You know, sometimes your upper body, that's your torso area, your thighs area, and then your legs, the exposed one, normally have 3 different colors. But if you want to normalize everything or make them look as uniform as possible, this is the one that you need to try. It is going to unify your complexion so well. It has a very beautiful texture, and this is how it comes. It looks quite watery, but trust me, it moisturizes the skin extremely well. The next 2 are the orange one and then the yellow one. They are all very moisturizing, but when it comes to brightening up your normal complexion to just give you a natural glow, you need to try the advanced Korean Bright and Dewy. This is the advanced Korean Bright and Dewy Radiance body lotion. If you just want to glow up your normal complexion, to brighten up your normal complexion, this is what you are going to use. Very moisturizing, and it protects your skin barrier, because the way your skin is going to feel so covered when you're using this product, it is going to blow your mind. It's like you using the lotion and you've added an oil to it. This works so well. If you are dark skin, caramel skin, fair skin, and you just want to brighten up your dark caramel or fair skin, the Bright and Dewy lotion is the one that you must get. Now, to this one, this is the one that actually brightens the skin. It is not going to whiten or bleach your skin, but it can make you at least 1 shade lighter. This is the Bright and Smooth body lotion, and it's also very moisturizing. The advanced Korean skin comes with a body oil, but today we are talking only about the body lotions. If you have an even skin tone and you want to unify your complexion whilst giving it a good moisturizing, you need to get the white one. If you want to brighten up your normal complexion and you want it to look very bright, very dewy, very nice, you have to get the yellow one. But if you want to lighten at least 1 shade lighter, you need to get this. But I have to say this, I have to emphasize this, to get the best out of the advanced Korean skin, or basically any skincare product at all, you need to be consistent. It's not just about buying 1 bottle and expecting to see magic. You need to buy at least 2 bottles and stick with it and see how well it's going to work for your skin. I'm almost done with this, and I'm definitely going to go and check the next one. So let's talk about the ingredients on the white advanced Korean skin. It contains niacinamide, kojic acid, ascorbic acid, fruit oil, sunflower. So basically the main ingredients here are alpha arbutin, vitamin E, niacinamide, kojic acid, and sunflower fruit extracts and rice extracts. So this is, and we all know that rice is very good when it comes to brightening up skin and then to fight against signs of aging. Let's look at the ingredients on the Bright and Smooth. This one also contains tranexamic acid, it contains azelaic acid, alpha arbutin, tocopherol, that is vitamin E, contains papaya extract, niacinamide, kojic acid, hyaluronic acid. These ones are also very good when it comes to brightening up your skin. And the combination of alpha arbutin, papaya, kojic, niacinamide, tranexamic acid is going to help to brighten up your skin really well with consistent use. And then the Bright and Dewy, this one contains a bit of kojic acid, niacinamide, vitamin E, and yeah, so the main brightening ingredients in the Bright and Dewy lotion is kojic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin E. You can see that the Bright and Smooth has more active ingredients in it compared to the other one. So basically, this is what the Advanced Korean Skin Lotion is about. If you are wondering which one you need to get, I have explained it very well for you. It's quite affordable, very, very moisturizing, and it's available with your trusted skincare vendor. So if you have watched up to this point of the video and you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a good thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.